Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to say a big thank you for clicking on the link to come and check out this awesome massive bonus bundle where you're going to get the ability to grab a one-time deal only. That's Wayne Crow has really let me be able to promote for you guys and give the same deal that he did on his live. So if you missed that live, you'll get an opportunity to get this get the same opportunity through me, as well as where you can save nearly double the amount of the investment. Instead of having to go through each steps of the funnel and buy everything, you're going to get the whole entire thing. And on top of that, I'm going to give away my upcoming software plus all software upgrades to really help you jump to the next level. So I'm inside the membership area right now of a product called Link Bypass, where you can literally on ClickBank and JVZoo, you can skip the sales page, especially if you're on a bridge page, where you can literally skip it and you've already pre-sold them. You can skip the sales page and you can send them straight to checkout. So that really does cut the middle part out, where you can really lose your customers, because sometimes when you pre-sell them, you've got them on a bonus and you really be able to, you just want to secure that commission. It's going to take you, allow you to go straight from any ClickBank or pre-sell, any ClickBank or JVZoo offer, and take them straight to checkout, where you can secure those commissions for the offer that you're promoting for that product. Now, it's a really cool where you'll be able to just go in here. I'm in the review section here for it, and when you can actually go in here, you can create all these different link bypasses. So, for example, as you can see here, there's these differing products here where people have actually gone in and being able to link bypass their products. So it's pretty cool that you can go in there. So all you have to do is just go to create and you name it. And so, for example, James 365 Perpetual, which is a great product that I promote. And if you secure this to guys, I'll give you exclusive access to promote that product. So Perpetual Income. And then what you'll do is that you literally grab the sales button from the promotion page, and so they don't have to get redirected to the sales page again. They don't have to do any more scrolling. They just go straight to checkout, and you just post that button in there. So, so you'll be able to get that going. And then all you need then is your affiliate link as well. And I'll put a demo about how this software works down below. But you put that affiliate link in there. So when you create that link, that allows you to bypass the sales button, and it still codes your affiliate link, and it still goes to checkout. So you get the credit for it and no one else. Because I know sometimes when you send them straight to a checkout, you're not guaranteed that commission, and this guarantees you to pick up the commission because it's going to cookie you to their computer or whatnot, so you get the credit on that sale. Alright, so as part of the exclusive bonuses, guys, I'm just going to run them through real quickly because I just want to show you the offer. Now, the offer is actually, you're looking at around $397, and what you're going to get is this. You're going to get the entire funnel. You're going to get Link Bypass Pro. You're going to get the Done For You bridge sites, campaigns. You're going to get the pay-per-click software. You're going to get the Traffic Domination VIP. Alright guys, you're going to get Affiliate Masterclass. You're going to get Done For You bridge sites. They're going to upload it for you. You're going to get the Click Domination special offer. So you get everything here for a one-time $397. No recurring costs, no BS. And then on top of that, guys, I'm throwing in my software that we're launching on February 7th. And because of obviously the price point and how much I want to push this, because I really do believe this is going to be a huge benefit for you, I'm going to throw in access to Simplicity plus all software upgrades. So you're going to get the front end of Simplicity, which is a drag and drop Done For You page builder, and also Instagram auto comment reply, Facebook Messenger bot, Facebook comment auto reply, private reply, and Facebook auto comment tools. So it allows you to take advantage of social campaigns. Obviously, you can integrate these as well, and you'll be able to create awesome pages and whatnot. So you'll get that. And on top of that, you're going to get Simplicity Pro, where you're going to get auto RSS posting, so you'll be able to create blogs, social media accounts, and also automated retargetings for your promotions, and which is pretty awesome. And you're also going to get Simplicity Auto. Now it allows for posts to be scheduled for your blog on autopilot, full Google Analytic integration, keyword auto suggestions, allowing for easy keyword content ranking ideas. So you guys will be able to really get those blogs of the blogs that they set up for you in Link Bypass. You're going to be able to secure that here today. Now, Simplicity Explorer, you're going to get that as well, guys. A built-in official Facebook API. This targets hidden interest groups, high converting ads for your both free and paid marketing efforts. Instagram integrated API for searching hot and trending hashtags, full audience, building automation and comparison search marketing module showing what others are doing in simple comparison formula. So pretty powerful stuff where you can literally target your target market, guys. Get those people with those interests, target them, send your pages to it, and then even guys, you can even do this with this ClickBank offer. You can stick your Link Bypass link inside these pages, and you'll be able to start generating sales, pretty quickly. So we're pretty excited about that. Now, even on top of that, guys, I'm going to throw in more because I just want to stack this for you. Now, you're going to get Exodus and All Upgrades, which is a product we released back in December. You're going to get Fast Track, Done For You package. You're going to get access to our Inner Circle, my Inner Circle, where I go live every week, providing training. I even jump in there probably more than that right now, but you're going to get Profit Box, Cash Automators for Facebook, unlimited traffic. So you'll get that, guys. You'll get Rebills as well. Rebills is a product we brought out in November, and it's about generating recurring commissions. So you'll be able to combine the power of recurring commissions using the Rebill strategy, using Link Bypass, and on top of Simplicity, you guys are going to be stacked with goodness. Now, Method X, this is a Bing Ads campaign strategy where you can arbitrage traffic on Bing and drag it over to Google AdWords, so you can take advantage of penny clicks on the dollar to generate and build your list that way. So it's pretty solid. You're going to get the Done For You package, Profit Box, unlimited traffic, license rights. Now, Infusion and All Upgrades, you're going to get that as well, guys. That's a high ticket marketing. So if you want to integrate high ticket marketing, you can learn about that and implement it with this. Phoenix and All Great Upgrades. And then on top of that, guys, you're going to get full access to the Breakout Code 2.0 and All Upgrades here. This is our recent release. This is pretty much my business in a box. I'm the #1 affiliate on Warrior Plus. I don't like to brag about it too much, but I think what happens in this is pretty telling in terms of the results that I generate on a daily, and I'm just going to show you this really quickly. These are the results that I generate daily. I've generated $78,000 in the last 30 days, $3,500 today alone with some revenue. I've made a couple of high ticket sales here, and guys, see just the results speak alone. These are my affiliate daily stats. Yesterday I did just shy of 2,500, 2,200 there, 2,800 back on, had an easy day on Friday when I went out and I took some time off and spent some time with some kids. It's just, when you got the full power of the arsenal that we can provide you and what I do in my business daily, guys, through these products and these bonuses, and on top of what we're drawn from into and put into Simplicity, you guys are going to seriously get a mammoth amount of value out of this. So, guys, just for the one-time cost of $397, I'm just going to go through it again because I feel like it's pretty powerful. You're going to get Simplicity apps, drag and drop, Done For You page builder, where you can literally jump it onto social media, guys. You're going to, on top of that, you'll be able to use these Done For You page builders for list building. You'll be able to use it for those. You're going to be able to do auto blogging as well, guys. 20 social media accounts. Integrates up to 20 social media accounts. So if you've got more than one account or anything like that, you can do that. Automated retargeting, for your ads purposes. You're going to get auto quintessential automation upgrade. This allows you to schedule blog on autopilot, full Google Analytic integration, almost unheard of these days, and keyword auto suggestions, allowing you for keyword content and ranking ideas. Upgrade 3, Facebook Interest Explorer, built on the official Facebook API. Guys, it's like Instagram. This is a world first here. Instagram integrated API. This is the first product where you be able to get integration with Instagram, like fully, approved Instagram API, searching for hot and trending hashtags, full audience building automation. So this is like a one-time. You have to pay monthly for a software that does that now, and this is for, you're getting this for one time, including that, guys. This here, like, you're looking around probably nearly $400 in upgrades. So definitely worthwhile jumping on there. So like I said, guys, Link is a really good. It's a really good program. On top of that, all that, you're getting all this for an additional, heavily discounted. You're going to save yourself, I think it's like nearly $500 in comparison to what you're going to be paying if you bought all of these individually. Affiliate Masterclass, 4 weeks Ninja, pay-per-click. So guys, it really is stacked with a whole bunch of stuff. So guys, definitely worthwhile jumping on. These are the bonuses you're going to get again. You're going to get all these. You're going to get Exodus, you're going to get Rebuilds, Method X, Infusion, Phoenix, and Breakout Code 2.0. And on top of that, you're going to get Simplicity and all software upgrades. All right, so you get even the agency rights, guys, on being able to promote, use this product for your own business, without even having to pay for. Because when you pay for agency rights, guys, you're looking in excess of at least thousands and thousands of dollars to do this. So if I'm just going to jump down here, get agency rights, allow your customers to have an instant business. So guys, you could literally, like, if you wanted to pass this on to your customers, sell this as a service, you can sell it, or create a brand new revenue streams on gig and freelance sites. Super powerful. So we're pretty excited about it. And this will allow you, so see what I mean, guys? So upsell to 97, upsell 4, unlimited traffic, even 197, guys. And they say agency rights, we're doing that for 197 because, you get to go out and you get to resell it. But, it's pretty powerful stuff. So, guys, definitely worthwhile jumping on. I look forward to you guys seriously taking advantage of this offer. You save $508 instantly when you get onto this, on top of saving about $500 over here with Simplicity, and you're saving nearly over here with these bundle packages. These would go for about nearly $1,000 each, so you're saving nearly $6,000 right there. $6,000 right there with just these bundles alone, on top of Simplicity and all that. So guys, definitely worthwhile jumping on. Just go to this button here, guys. Join the Traffic Domination VIP for $397. Just one time. That's it. No more. I've only got 15 spots available. I can't do any more. I really can't, because I need to limit this, because Simplicity is launching on February 7th, and this offer will run out by February 2nd tomorrow. I will not be offering Simplicity upgrade after tomorrow. So you must get on this. This is the last time I'm going to be able to offer Simplicity bonus as a bonus, guys. This is the last time I'm going to be able to do it. February 2nd, 11:59 Eastern Time. This is the last time that I can allow you to jump on and get Simplicity through this bonus. And yeah, guys, so I hope it's all well, guys. I hope you jump on. Definitely worthwhile. Wayne and this guy know their shit. They just know their stuff. Super awesome. A huge bonus bundle. And guys, definitely worthwhile picking up all this for just $397. You save literally, save $508 instantly just from that. All right, guys. So thanks very much. I look forward to you guys jumping on to the Traffic Domination VIP and Link Bypass, which is going to be included inside that as well. You'll be able to integrate this with your Simplicity. You'll be able to use all these methods to use Simplicity going forward, guys. Mark and I do this for a purpose. We make sure all our products mesh with each other, so you can, bring elements to different products to create your own business moving forward, create your own touch on it, and it's awesome. So guys, definitely worthwhile. Just click this link below this video, click this link right here, and then it'll take you to this page. Click here, it'll take you to the checkout, purchase, and you'll be able to purchase by card, Stripe. They've got Stripe there if you want to pay by credit card. And yeah, guys, so $397. Look, you're already saving $600 right there. So bargain. All right, guys. Thanks very much, and I'll see you inside Traffic Domination VIP. Cheers.